Now we are going to talk about amblyopia, a specialty ophthalmology. Symptoms: decreased vision, usual onset before age 5. Causes: poor alignment of the eyes, eye being irregular shaped such that focusing is difficult, or astigmatism. One eye being more nearsighted or farsighted, anisometropia. Clouding of the lens. Diagnostic methods: vision testing, like this. Differential diagnostic: brain stem disorder. Optic nerve disorder, or simply eye diseases. Treatment: glasses, or eye pass. This picture symbol indicates eye pass. The boy is wearing an eye pass. Frequency: 2% of adults. The main topic is amblyopia. Other name is lazy eye. The boy is wearing an eye pass. A child wearing an adhesive eye pass to correct amblyopia. Amblyopia, also called lazy eye, is a disorder of sight in which the brain fails to process inputs from one eye and over time favors the eye. It results in decreased vision in an eye that otherwise typically appears normal. Amblyopia is the most common cause of decreased vision in a single eye among children and younger adults. The cause of amblyopia can be any condition that interferes with focusing during early childhood. This can occur from poor alignment of the eyes, strabismic, or an eye being irregularly shaped, like this. It is also called astigmatism, such that focusing is difficult, one eye being more nearsighted or farsighted. It is simply anisometropia. Then the other, refractive or clouding of the lens. Clouding of the lens is like this. Of an eye deprivational, after the underlying cause is addressed, vision is not restored right away, as the mechanism also involves the brain. Amblyopia can be difficult to detect, so vision testing is recommended for all children around the ages of 4 to 5. Vision testing picture is like this. In this way, vision of a child is tested. Early detection improves treatment success. Glasses may be all the treatment needed for some children. If this is not sufficient, treatment which encourage or force the child to use the weaker eye are used. This is done by either using a pass. This is the picture of pass, or putting atropine in the stronger eye without Treatment. Amblyopia typically persists. Treatment in adulthood is usually much less effective. Amblyopia begins by the age of 5. In adults, the disorder is estimated to affect 1 to 5% of the population. While treatment improves vision, it does not typically restore it to normal in the affected eye. Amblyopia was first described in the 1600s. The condition may make people ineligible to be pilots or police officers. The word amblyopia is from Greek amblis meaning blunt and ops meaning sight. Symptoms and signs of amblyopia. Many people with amblyopia, especially those who only have a mild form, are not aware they have the condition, but until tested at older ages, since the vision in their stronger eye is normal. People with amblyopia typically have poor stereo vision. Stereo vision is like this, stereopsis, since it requires both eyes. They further may have on the affected eye poor pattern recognition, poor visual acuity, and low sensitivity to contrast and motion. Amblyopia is characterized by severe functional abnormalities in spatial vision, including reductions in visual acuity, contrast, sensitivity, function, and Vernier acuity, as well as spatial distortion, abnormal spatial interactions, and impaired contour detection. In addition, individuals with amblyopia suffer from binocular abnormalities such as impaired stereo acuity, stereoscopic acuity, or an abnormal binocular summation. Also, central vision in amblyopes is more crowded than central vision in normal observers. These deficits are usually specific to the amblyopic eye. Subclinical deficits of the better eye have also been demonstrated. People with amblyopia also have problems of binocular vision, like this, such as limited stereoscopic depth perception and usually have difficulties seeing the three-dimensional images in hidden stereoscopic displays such as osteostereograms, perception of depth from monocular cues such as size, perspective, and motion parallax remains normal. So this is about lazy eye or amblyopia. Thank you very much for listening to the lecture.